Hi there, I'm Alan Bean and welcome to How To, where we give you tips and tricks just to make your life just that little bit easier. Right, today I'm going to just go through some very simple tools that you've got within Zoom that you may or may not be aware of. So let's start a meeting, and I'll put it full size so it covers everything. Join with the computer audio, and you'll notice down here that I've got the start video as off, so that basically as soon as I start a Zoom, my face isn't plastered everywhere. I can be shuffling paperwork and not look unprepared. But on this occasion I can press the button and start right away. So there I am. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share an image to you and show you the menu that comes up when you share something. So let's just click on there, and that's what I want to show. Okay, so I'll make that full page. Where are we? And this is, let's just do it another way. So share again. There we go. There we go. Right, there we go. That's the shared image under Zoom, and there's the meeting controls. So you've got this menu here, which is similar to what you normally have on the bottom of the screen, but on a shared thing it comes up here. Let me just get rid of my face for a minute, put it over down there. Right, the microphone, that's self-explanatory, as is the video. Security wise is just protection on passwords, etc. But it's over here that I'm going to go through one or two things. So the first thing is the pause share. Now when I click on there, the screen that's being shared at that moment in time is what the person will see. So if you've got another side that you want to get prepared and the slide, etc., you can do that, and nobody will know that that's what you're doing in the background. All they'll see is what's in front of them on the screen at that moment in time. Then you go back up, resume, and you can move on to whatever else you wanted to get ready. The next thing is annotate. This is a fantastic tool. So you can write, not very good at that like that, but whatever, undo it. Certainly don't want that stuck everywhere, do we? But you've also got a number of different things, like you can write on here okay, you can write whatever you want, put whatever you want wherever you want. If you're talking about something, you can type up a little bit about what you're doing, and once you're finished, just get rid of it. You can draw, obviously, which you've just seen. Stamp. Now this is a great little tool. Let's imagine that you've got something that you want to point out on the video, or on the whatever it is you're sharing at that time. You get the stamp. Oh, look at her over there. I'm talking about him now. Talking about this cup of coffee over here. You can place little arrows so people can see exactly what you're talking about, and you can get rid of them just as quickly by that. You've also got the tick. So yes, we wanted him and her and him involved in whatever it may be. Okay, and undo it, or you can just erase whatever you want. So the stamp is a very useful little thing that you've got there. Spotlight. Let's have a spotlight on that person there. You've got a little thing on your mouse that's showing you exactly where you are. Now as I'm recording this, I've automatically got that on the screen record, but if you look at it, it's a little red dot that appears, and as you press on the mouse it changes slightly on what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that clearly, hopefully you can. Right, spotlight and arrow. Right, I'm pointing out things that I want to show you, and as I move on to the next one it disappears. Okay, so that's quite a handy little tool. Eraser. Well, that's not going to erase what's on the screen, but it'll erase anything you've typed on there. And of course you can change colours and fonts for making it look better on what you're doing. Okay, so that's a great little tool that you've got up here under annotate. Then you can record the meeting. You can disable participants annotation. So if they've been allowed to talk or put things on the screen, you've got a group of people working on the same document, you can disable that. You can show names of the people who are doing stuff on the thing. Okay, so you've got quite a few little different options there. Okay, so those are nice little tools that you can use while you're doing it. You've also got the stop share button there. So as soon as you press that, you're back to where you were before. Just little tools that are very, very helpful to use while you're doing a Zoom call. Hopefully helps that. If you'd like to subscribe, I would love that. And like the video, that way YouTube knows that it's worth watching. Maybe help you in a little way, maybe help somebody else. Look forward to speaking to you on the next video. Bye for now.